Oh, you know what?
Nate's in a safe place. Oh my god, dude, are you serious? Oh my god, dude.
So you could turn like this way. You could flip upside down.
That's insane.
So like I'm gonna flip upside down and then go. I'm upside down.
Dude, I've never seen anything like that. It's insane.
Crazy, right?
Are you upside down? I don't understand how you're even doing that.
Yeah, you can get really
lost. It just takes off on you, bro.
Yeah, it's nuts. So if you panic for 2 seconds and you do like, you know, you make an abrupt move on the
Yeah.
like I can go.
Nate, are you watching this? Oh yeah. Yep. Oh yeah. Yep. We'll put them on YouTube. Oh god. That was close.
That was wind. I wasn't ready for that. Anyway, it's fast, right? Wow,
yeah. I don't get that, man. It goes up so fast.
It comes down fast too.
Heads up, Jim. There's a person running here. This is sick. I gotta watch you land this. Unbelievable. Yeah.
Yeah, you come out. You didn't expect that either.
Dude, that's insane.
You want to see the big one, then we'll go?
Yeah, that's awesome, man.
What do you think, Nate? You think this is cool?
Holy cow.